A pretrial conference is simply a status hearing where the judge wants to know what's happening with the case. That's really all it is. Now, when I reach the podium at a pretrial conference, most judges ask me exactly that. They'll say, Mr. Guidry, what's the status of your client's case? Now, for the most part, we're floating around three concepts, three only: plea, trial, or continuance. Here's how those options sound at pretrial, just to give you a flavor. Option one, Your Honor, we've negotiated a plea deal in this case, so we need a plea date to come back and enter a plea unless Your Honor is willing to accept the plea today at pretrial. That would be option one, entering a plea. Option two, Your Honor, the defense is ready for trial. On what day would you like to start picking a jury? And option three is the most convoluted one. We're asking for a continuance. Your Honor, we are not ready for trial because the state hasn't provided the body cam videos or some evidence that we know they have. Maybe we have a motion to dismiss or suppress in a couple weeks, so we're going to ask the court to continue this to the next pretrial docket. Now, in addition to those main goals we talked about, pretrial is really a great time to give the judge the roadmap of where the case is heading if the judge wants to hear it. Some don't. We may mention, for example, that the state is willing to drop or reduce the charges in the future. We may complain a little bit to the judge, explaining, look, the state's offer is ridiculous. It's unreasonable. We're going to file more motions. We're going to trial because of that. And either way, I think the judge appreciates knowing a little bit of why this case is where it is and where it's going. And that's the goal of a pretrial conference. So if you have any questions about this sort of thing in Central Florida, and that's my backyard, I mean Orange County, Seminole, Osceola, Volusia, Lake, Polk, Brevard, any of those places, give our office a call. Let's see if we can help you out. I thank you for watching and take care.